feel like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get alone, maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get alone, maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Some back sex, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you, baby, no, you're so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of you, shit, you almost. Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You know that but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
So hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been enjoying the vlog so far. Okay, so we hit 1k followers on TikTok, celebrating my small wins. So in aspect of that, I decided to reward myself for some certain things that I've been craving for. Like I have been craving for, when I mean I've been craving for, I sleep and all I think about are these things. So I got them and we're going to do some unboxing. Yeah, not that much and crazy, but cute and I'm excited. So let's see what's in the box. Excited, and I feel like I rewarded myself very well. So first thing is this cute package. I love this package, and I'm going to insert the Instagram handle on the screen. I got this shell. This is so cute, so pretty. I guess it's for decoration because like having it now is like it's so light and it can easily break. This is for my incense burner. I'm going to show you guys how I use it. Next is I got myself a new light. So this is bad. I'm just using just one. So here is not bright enough. I got one. And I got half a moon. Here too is also bad, so I need to fix it. Next, I got some toilet tray for my toilet, my body wash and the like. And I got this cute brush holder, the same color with my body wash. Sponge. And then the final, I got this because I want to rearrange my skincare, my makeup products, and some of my journal here, and I think this is really going to be helpful. I just hope it is what I really expect. So let's unbox and see. So this is what my desk look like. I just want everything to be out of here because I need space. And this is also the floor. So we're going to use the shelf to see how it comes out. Okay. So this is my incense burner and I plan on using this shell on it. So this is what I'm saying. It's just a little crack. You can see. It's just like chalk. I don't even know. But it's quite pricey though. Pricey, like very, very. This is what I got it for, but I don't know how long this will last. So when the incense burn, like the ashes doesn't fall on the floor. They're all here, so I don't know how long this is lasts. I probably will get something else in place of it because this look, nah, not as I expected.